Hello, rising parents. We know getting your children to eat their veggies can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. But don't worry, we've got you covered with our 8 ways to get your kids to eat their vegetables. Vegetables play a crucial role in a child's diet, packing in essential nutrients for their growth and development. However, we understand that convincing them to take a bite can be a challenge. Are you ready to turn your little ones into veggie lovers? Let's dive in. Tip number 1, lead by example. Kids tend to mimic their parents, so make sure they see you enjoying your veggies. That's right, chomping down on some crunchy carrots or delighting in a bowl of broccoli can inspire your little ones to do the same. Moving on to tip number 2, get them involved in the cooking process. This doesn't have to mean letting them loose with a chef's knife, of course. Simple tasks like washing the vegetables, stirring the pot, or even helping to set the table can make them feel like a part of the process. When they've had a hand in making the meal, they're more likely to want to try it. Our third tip is to make vegetables fun and exciting. Who says veggies have to be boring? Use cookie cutters to shape them into fun shapes, or let your kids create their own vegetable art. You can even make a game of it, seeing who can eat the most colors in a day. Tip number 4, experiment with different cooking methods. Not all veggies have to be served raw or steamed. Try roasting, grilling, or even blending them into a smoothie. Different methods bring out different flavors and textures, so don't be afraid to mix it up. Remember, it's all about making vegetables a fun and enjoyable part of your child's diet. Moving on to tip number 5, sneak veggies into their favorite meals. This is a great way to get them used to the taste without them even realizing it. You could puree carrots and sneak them into a spaghetti sauce, or blend spinach into a smoothie. The possibilities are endless, and a little creativity can go a long way. Tip number 6, use dips and sauces. Kids love to dip their food, right? So why not use this to your advantage? Serve raw veggies with a side of their favorite dip, whether it's hummus, salsa, or a yogurt-based dip. This can make the veggies seem more like a treat than a chore. Moving on to tip 7, keep a variety of vegetables on hand. Variety is the spice of life, and it can also be the key to getting your kids to eat their vegetables. Different colors, shapes, and textures can make the veggies more appealing. Plus, having a variety of veggies on hand allows you to mix it up and avoid serving the same thing over and over again. And finally, tip number 8, be patient and persistent. Change doesn't happen overnight. It may take a while for your kids to learn to love their veggies, but don't give up. Keep offering them, and over time, their tastes may change. With these tips, you'll have your kids eating their greens in no time. So, there you have it, parents. 8 practical ways to get your kids to eat their vegetables. From the one-bite rule to making veggies fun, every tip is a step towards healthier eating habits. Remember, patience and persistence are key. It may take time, but the rewards are worth it. We hope these tips will make your mealtimes more peaceful and nutritious. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more parenting advice and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, happy parenting!